In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day as an affiliate marketer. I'll show you the methods that I have personally used to make over $154,000 on JVZoo. JVZoo is just one of many networks that I promote on. So I'm going to share with you the tips that I personally use to make consistent, nearly daily sales on multiple affiliate networks like what you can see here on the screen. My name is Kononenko. I run this YouTube channel, Caffeinated Blogger, where I publish regular videos on affiliate marketing, how to get traffic to your website, and blogging. So if you're not a subscriber yet, then please make sure to subscribe just below this video, click the subscribe button and tick the bell notification icon so you never miss my future videos. Let's get into it. First of all, I want to show you what it is that I actually do to make these consistent sales that just keep coming in every single day on multiple affiliate networks. I make affiliate sales on a ton of my websites. I run 5 different websites where I publish various content and I make affiliate sales. But for today's video, I just want to show you an example of my website named That's Hustle. So the domain for that is that'shustle.com. And on this website, I publish a lot of different information. I make money from AdSense on this website. But in particular, the method that I want to focus on today is publishing product reviews. It is extremely profitable, and I've just done a search here right on my website so that you can see the different types of reviews that I've published over the years. You can see it's WP Video Machine Review, Printly Review, Profit Ascension Review. So basically, I've published reviews of various products, both software and training courses in the internet marketing niche. And that has done really, really well for me. Every time I publish a review, I make consistent sales. So I just want to walk you through this method of making money, making affiliate commissions by publishing reviews on your website. That's going to be the focus of today's video. Here is how this works. Check this out. So as soon as someone publishes a new product to the marketplace, a lot of times the products get what's called a marketing buzz. People start talking about it. Different people who have email lists and social media following, they start recommending this product for a commission to their audience, and the internet starts buzzing, right? And people start searching for the reviews of that product. So for example, one of these products that I've published a review for is named Video Sumo. So if we type in Video Sumo review, okay, like this into Google, you can see that the very first website that actually comes up in Google search results is, guess whose website? It is my website, that'shustle.com. So once they type that in, they see that my website is the #1 review. A lot of people will click through. Most people will actually click on the very first result, and then they will land onto my website, onto that'shustle.com. Now you can see I've published the review here. It's nothing super complicated. I've just got a headline. I've talked a little bit about what it does, how do we get the traffic, how it helps people get traffic. Then I've got my video as well, but that's totally optional. A lot of my reviews do not have videos. And then there is a buy link. So this is just my affiliate link. And then I've got a little bit more information about the product. So what it is that it does, it's a tool that allows to research low competition keywords. It'll show a difficulty of a word. So then I talk about how you can actually get traffic using Video Sumo. And then I'm describing exactly how it works, how it keeps getting the traffic. Then I've got the pros and cons, a little bit of a summary and description of the pricing. So nothing super complicated, just a reasonably decent quality review. And I've published it on my site and I'm ranking on page 1 for it. I mean, it's not just me who makes money this way. If we look at another review, Arbitrage, High Roller Reloaded review, if we Google for that, with that one, unfortunately, I did not rank on page 1, but a lot of other people did. And I actually know a lot of these people. I know Mark Gray, who runs this website, thewolfofonlinemarketing.com. He actually makes a really, really comfortable living from home just by publishing reviews on his blog of various internet marketing products. Another person of mine, I've actually met him in person. Another friend of mine is his name is Art Flair and he lives in Portugal. So that's his blog, artofmarketing.com blog. He managed to rank for Arbitrage High Roller as well. So if you open up their reviews, for example, just to see something different, they follow a similar structure. Again, nothing complicated, just a good, decent quality review. So this is Mark Gray's review. Okay, that's what he's published. It's not too long. He's got his affiliate links on it as well. If we look at the next one down on the list, the banger method review. So I am ranking on page 1 for it. So I rank for a very good proportion, like more than half of the reviews that I tried to publish, I managed to rank for. And the banger method review, once again, I'm ranking here. So whenever someone searches for it, they will get onto my website and they will read my review. And as you can see, once again, nothing super complicated, just a decent review, my affiliate links. I've made a lot of money from the banger method promo. So just to show you, I'm here inside my Warrior Plus account, and you can see that from the banger method promo, I made 1,632, so that's pretty good. That review didn't take me very long. The other promo that I showed you was Video Sumo. All right, so for Video Sumo, I made $773. So, again, it only took like a couple of hours max to make, so it's totally worth it. All right, well, now you've seen my case studies, you've sort of seen the proof, you know that this works. So now I want to show you two different ways of actually making these reviews. And the first way is going to be kind of like a manual way that you can get started pretty much for free. Not going to cost you anything to start, and you can start putting out these reviews and you can start making money. I've shown this to a lot of people and it actually worked really well for them. So many people on my channel have made their first money from this method, so I know that you're gonna love it. And then the second way that I'm gonna show you how to do this is a little bit more automated. It involves a software, and there's like some also cool training there as well. And if you prefer to kind of save the time, you can go for that second method. So let's start with the first method, which is the manual method, the simple, the free method of making these reviews. So step one is very simple. It is to find a product for you to promote. I actually recommend for you to try something different and to go into mindshare.com and to have a look at what kind of products are launching in the next 7 to 14 days, so in the next 1 to 2 weeks. This is a calendar which lists all the upcoming software launches. So for example, you can see that on the 14th of July, okay, you've got Daniel Adetunji launching this one called ClickBank Profits. There are other launches on the 14th of July. So there's a lot of launches happening every single day. There's Trevor Carr, there is Ivana, Ben Murray, file launches, etc. So all of these are actually products, and you can look at what kind of products are going to launch so that you can prepare your review and publish your review on your website before this product even goes live, because there's going to be less competition that way. Not many people work in advance, so you can type in your review for Leads Gorilla, all right, before anyone else. For example, let's just check Leads Gorilla, all right, let's type in Leads Gorilla review. I bet there's not going to be a lot of reviews. All right, so there's one review, Leads Gorilla. There's a second one that's been published, third one, but there pretty much are no more. Like this last result, there's not many reviews so far for this product. So if you published your review way ahead, you're going to be one of the first people to show to Google some kind of content that contains a Leads Gorilla review, and you're going to have an advantage. That's a big secret weapon that you can use. A lot of people only publish reviews for products that have already been launched. By then there's a lot of competition. So it's always a good idea to work in advance, 1 to 2 weeks in advance. Have a look at all of these listings. If you like the product, then create a review for it a little bit in advance. So the second thing for you to do is, let's say we do want to promote this Leads Gorilla. All right, so you would just click onto this listing. There's always something called Leads Gorilla JV page here. This will contain a lot of the information, pretty much everything that you potentially need to promote the product. You need to request your affiliate link, very important. So just click on this, your affiliate link, and that will allow you to go into whichever platform you're promoting on. Like this one, for example, is on JVZoo. All right, so you would just need to log in and request your affiliate link. You'll have an option to apply for your affiliate link. Then you can also review all the information, what this product actually does, how it works. There's generally going to be some kind of a demo video on the product that will show you exactly how it works, or at least some really good solid information. See, there is a demo here, so you can actually watch like a 4-minute demo of this product to see exactly how this works. So that's also very, very powerful. You can often preview the sales page as well. See, here is a sales page preview, all of that sort of stuff. Now, after you apply for your affiliate link, it's very important for you to get in touch with the vendor. There's going to be contact information. So you can see here, there is Adrian, Ben, and Christian. So they've got their Skype contact. So you need to get in touch with them and contact them and let them know that you have applied for this product and you would like to be approved to promote. Very important. This personal touch will ensure that you actually get approved, because quite often vendors only work with affiliates that they know. If they see an unknown name and there's been no contact, you might not get approved. So very important. Always try to get in touch with the vendor and let them know how you're going to be promoting it, and ask them to approve you. The next thing that you will need to do is to write the actual review. So now, as I mentioned earlier in the video, this is what I'm showing you now is kind of like the manual way of doing this. I'm also later on in the video, I'm going to show you the automated way where you don't even have to write these reviews, okay? But for now, let me show you how to write the review. So you can totally use any of my templates. If you go into thatshustle.com and have a look at the reviews that I've published, just use these as examples, because these reviews, as you already saw, they already rank, right? So they're good enough to rank in Google. Okay, like the banger method review, I already showed you, it ranks. So this style, this format of reviews works really well. The other great person for you to learn from is Mark Gray, who runs the Wolf of Online Marketing. So you can look at any of his reviews. His reviews are amazing. I would say they're probably better than mine. He is very good at structuring his reviews in a way that they're actually rank in Google. Like pretty much all of his reviews will rank in Google. For example, if we look at voice spell review, this one here, you will see that most likely he ranks here on page 1. Yeah, the Wolf of Online Marketing voice spell review. So just learn from him, learn from me, from our website. Structure your review in a similar way. You can see here, the way that he's done it as well. He's just describes all of the different sections, exactly how it works, etc. Now, a couple of tips on how to make sure that your review ranks. First of all, it needs to be at least 1,000 to 1,500 words long. Your review will generally do well if it is the most in-depth review out there on page 1, okay? And most people write short reviews. So if your website is new, you want to write a review that's at least kind of like 1,000 to 1,500, maybe even 2,000 words long. So it needs to be in depth, needs to cover the information in a lot of depth. Google prefers to show in-depth content. So if there is another review out there that only has 500 words and your review shows 2,000 words, Google will give you preference because they want to serve the most detailed information to users. So that's the first tip, the length of the review. The second thing that you need to pay attention to is your on-page so-called SEO. So if you're targeting the term, the banger method review, or if you're targeting the term voice spell review, it needs to be in your headline first of all. Okay, so that's first of all. Secondly, you want to mention it a couple of times in the actual body of your review. So mention the banger method review, a couple of times in here, just like Mark does. He mentions it in his text of his review as well. Then of course you need to insert your affiliate link, so you can get that format from my website as well, just to see where I insert those affiliate links, and that will help you rank. So as long as you do this about 5 to 10 days before the launch actually goes live, this gives enough time to Google to spider your website, to find your content, to actually index it, and to start showing it. By the time this launch goes live, your website will already be indexed and it will be included in page 1 of search results, as long as you've done everything correctly, your review is high quality, etc. Okay, so next I want to show you sort of the done for you method of publishing these reviews. Now, if you guys want to save time, there is actually a software that can make your life easier with writing these reviews, because it's got a ton of reviews already pre-made for you. Over 40 reviews of products already done. So I'm just gonna walk you through. Obviously it's completely optional, okay? If you just want to stick to the first way of doing it, that's fine. You don't need to watch any further. But if you want to learn the sort of automated way or the done for you way of publishing these reviews, then keep watching. This is the software that I've been testing myself, and it works really, really well. So if you want to know what software it is, the link is in the description below. So just take a look there and you'll find the link to actually access this software. It's pretty cheap and it will save you a ton of time. So the way this works is, once you are inside the software, it will already have a website pre-made for you. It actually also hosts the sites for you. So if you don't have a website yet, this software will host your site, okay? So for example, you wanted to create a new site. There's new websites that you can create. You just go add new site. Then you can choose any of the templates. For example, you want this template, or this template. For example, you go with this affiliate skin one. Okay, so then you just select it. And then you need to choose your add-on domain on dropblogger.com. So it'll be something like, let's say we call it make money with Greg. Okay, see if that's available. And then let's click add site, and that will just go ahead and create a website like this for us. And you don't even need hosting. It will actually be hosted by this software. Okay, so here we go. It just took a few seconds, but we've got this website created, Make Money with Greg. Now here is the cool bit. See, just like that with one click, if I click on visit, this is a fully done for you affiliate website. Let me just zoom out. So this is a site that already has reviews, 40 reviews already published on it. Look at this, latest post, Storyboard review, UStudio review, first page ranker, market presso. So it already has reviews for 40 different products, and it was done for you just like this in one click. Now there is this bar at the top, of course, with the menu options. If I open this in a private window, you know, when I'm not logged in, so just as a person who's browsing it, I will just see a clean website like this. So all you then need to do is just insert your affiliate links in each of these posts. So let's go back, and then we just need to go into done for you posts, all posts, and that will already have those 40 posts. See, there is 41 posts. There are reviews already pre-made for you for 41 different products. And all you then need to do is just edit them and insert your affiliate link for each one of them. For example, here for Storyboard, see there's a review that's already pre-written, and there will be buy links. So see these buttons here, or you just need to click on this button, click insert edit link, and then in here, insert your affiliate URL. Now for each of them, there are actually pages where you can request your affiliate links. So for example, for Storyboard, we just need to find it. You just go into like DFY pages, all pages, and then type in story like this. That'll filter for it. So see how it says here Storyboard promo details. So just click view. That will show you exactly where to grab your affiliate link. So here it says promo request link. So just grab your promo link. Okay, click on that, and that will take you to the page to request your affiliate link. So you'll need to fill out your permission to promote it, request approval, and once you've got it approved, then you go back into this post and insert your affiliate link and save this post, and this is a completely done for you review of the product. Just like that, it will even have your affiliate links inserted straight away. So if you guys do want something like that, like a solution with 40 completely pre-made done for you reviews, just click the link in the description below. And you can grab this software. It's really, really good. They also host it for you. Okay, so you don't need to pay for hosting. You don't need to pay for a domain. It's very easy. Plus, you obviously get the 40 done for you reviews. If you want to publish more reviews, because this becomes your website, okay, this is going to be your website, makemoneywithgreg.dropblogger.com. That actually becomes like your website. You can use it in the future forever and ever and ever. You can publish more posts on it. So if you wanted to publish more posts, you just go add new. And guess what? There's also training included. Okay, so there's traffic training included in here, and that will allow you, that will show you how to get traffic to these blog posts from a variety of different sources. So that's not just the software, you also get the training in there as well. The way that the software works, once again, just so that you understand, is step one will be you just select a template, all right, for your website. Once it's done, you just need to enter the name, subdomain, and niche, and then fill in the blanks of the site details. Then you deploy the site, and as you saw, it already creates those 40 reviews for you. Then you just need to drive traffic. Traffic generation is also included inside the software. There's full training on that. So you get these done for you product reviews, okay? There's 40 of them. There are custom bonuses that I built in as well that you can offer your customers. The hosting and domain are included, so you don't need to pay for hosting ever. It's fully cloud-based. Once again, nothing resides on your site. You can monetize it with banners, like with ads if you want, with Google Ads. You can add new reviews. You've got full control over your blog, so you can add, delete posts. If you want to publish more posts, you totally can. It comes preloaded with 40 sort of online marketing niche products, but you can get rid of them if you want, or you can create a brand new website if you want, delete all of them, and you can just use it for a different niche as well if you want. So if you do want to check out this software, click the link in the description below. You can grab it right now. It's still on a very low introductory pricing right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are a couple of videos for you to check out next. Just look at the top of the screen. Also, if you're not yet a subscriber, click subscribe from this screen or just below the video and join the Caffeinated tribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.